Mama ya mamu nyina chen ya mwakwa abaso nkodo Badwam TV Badwam kase so yada ni ase ni nkranhyensem so dwada besi fiada yi wodi Adom ye nti ya mu afutu sam no fa ni nyina na fa bo bra kase ne bra so se de bra ne yetodwa wo mu bi ya wo betini close akefo de kokoba mu oden na ema aban no wo mu pension fund na die emfa ma hokra de tie no a wo mu nya ne sama wo ya de sansam no ebebra mu na fe yakoye nsam foforo so emu dia Ora kwabene Japan kane twetwe ni ma MPP amanyukuo no e de afutu ama mampani adodanko akufuado cabinet ministers no wo do so wonte so na ne mankoyie sanse mini sembi na no pay me de bro Adom TV Badwam kase Facebook/Adom TV kase ni twagu ho Go TV channel 176 and a DSTV channel 280 medidi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni die mutie se de nsam ni kiremu ankasa etie Civil and Local Government Staff Association, ye trinity ase Closac, the course and more dene, ma buy no se was so many dear ma pension fund ne dear. Ma buy no finansa and can was saying shisha war ye, was casemun to trio mono. Now Adom TV cassiad in 7 to so eba.
And pension funds, that's the tier 2 and tier 3, are individual investors, investing holdings. Per the 766 Act. We didn't pass the act was passed by Parliament. And the same pension funds are individual holdings. So nobody can touch it. Even in the act itself, there's protection. Then even in its own pronouncement, it says they are exempted. So what business do you have meeting people that you want to touch pension funds? He has got that authority.
And wachi odi to just saban ampene e wa mo wo mu coupon bi e wo sika wode asie no ho a ene animu yi a odi wadwuma ebegu anaso obetente kokko e de a kire aban
and na dey can say ebredu say na coupon returns say yes can and bar. We have notified National Labour Commission. It's a nationwide industrial action. You see, we are having this problem. Let's go to the foundation of all these issues. Once you have apparatchiks and guru boys running the system, this is what will happen. We are talking of debt exchange. Let's look at it not as apparatchiks or guru boys. Let's look at it as Ghanaians.
Civil engineer, Osaya Manyoni, Nidin de Kwabna e Japan, a brebi atwam no no ne twetwe ni de ma MPP amanyukuo no. Nene wodi atoma mpani adodanko akufuado anim se ne cabinet asoafo no ormodo so ni die mu ontete so sebe ya dwuma no so ebekoye.
And to have efficiency and effectiveness, I think it should be smaller. You know, some of the ministries should be consolidated. I don't think we should go beyond the 19. I think we can run this country with the 15. Because a lot of the ministries can be consolidated. I don't see why fisheries and aquaculture should be outside agriculture.
Women yamamu hunso or the futu Emma Mampenny and Adanko Kufado, say at the Roma, any pebble say one more, or a by much and Wakasa won't see a sunset. Do you becca be a dear Ebeboa, Amana Momono Akoso?
I think that he should listen to some of us. We mean well for the country. We mean well for him, for his legacy. And he's worked too hard for this country, 40 years in politics, to go out on a limb. And I think that he's got 2 years, he can turn things around. And I've said it before and I want to repeat it. There has to be drastic surgery of his government. He's got to cut the waste, reduce the size of the government. He can do it and turn around the fortunes of this country.
Food and Drugs Authority for Power Committee bi ho ntoma wadwuma wo ba beye eye nuane a ye di akodi pedua ni mo say ye papa ye beboa adehye enso Adom kase ko dwumadie na se etwaso.
Bibi to say no buy vegetables. In the spraying chemicals near the bay. Ubiko spray nyadwo semako tomatoes. E so jan ho many di na bibi abese na okwe na okwe no ansa na dia badwaso. Obi spray na no pano chemicals yakomo. Enwumre tools na bre na kwakote. Na dia badwe made hye na wakoto na wadi. Ebe ma yare. Yare no so nya dia oku anopa. Wodi we ya na wawu. E wo ho a de bia wodi ne yare ne banka kra. Nti ai ni sabane ampekwa mbi afaso ammo eduane no ho ba na mfiri ho a. Ye nyina bi duru ba bi no na kyese kwa ne yeko. The committee no ne policy na de ne se ye be kokko ba bi a ye tonton sa ne ba ye no. FDA for no bedwuma be ye no ye be nhwehwemu se ade badwam no eye papa ye betu amanfofo ye nekuafo no be kasa ama be nkyekere
Swafo no kasa no akire no na dwemtenani a woda Intersectorial Committee on Food Safety ano Kwabena Boadu Okuafari ehye bose abadwakuo no ebeka won ho abomu aye adwumaden se ne ebe ya botayenti a wote sa abadwakuo no obetumi edru ho
committee ne se what the adwuma ahye en say de na eche say ye adwuma ese se ne amekan no Food and Drugs Authority na edi anim one day adwuma no wo ye dedawo aye aduan ho onkon an wo ye nuru ho nnwuma ne ade nti ye ade a wo de ahye yen sei ye be di ho dwuma se ne be ya saa yarawa na efi aduan a ye di ni mu no nyina ye be brase kora
Osofo ya wo hwe transport so ye kwaku asiama ene wode ato wona fa kwantempon so adrobafo no obi a ye nyina ye nhwe emmo ye ho ban na bronya bosumi mu die kwanhia bia to ntwa na wode nsemi to dwa National Road Safety Authority Christmas campaign ho edu
wale be kache se ta se kwa odiske ko Toronto na so wan go to tai no na mani pande ta na yo ne ko ko nya so na o ka na ama na ide statistics kire se drabafo e ma du e kaka emu 99.9 omo e very same because omo abetre e ma omo rush the same man te me kama me man na wo hwe me man no modi between 20 to 25 dey mo ja so pa gidi nti mu mi na ya fancy etrim say ye bo modin ye bo ye modin say figures no e improve nti mu mi continue mo mi sanko ba.
Acting Director General Edema National Road Safety Authority David Osafo Adontin enso ede futu emomanfo
ensesi ye tran ho bronyai na yekoye na esesa na mpokura no ebe yete ne afe no beso no na ne ye nyana no na asan hwereko enti ye disa hoden no ahonkeka no ye san de ewuram bronyai na ye adwumaden ye yekoye education ye called terminals ye nso a nenam ka kwan so ya prosifo a ebe man krofo di mraso DVL fo a so beti ho gum nyina no ye ka bom ye adwumason se ne be ya ye be ko beba no na ye program a ye di to je friend stay alive na etumi edimu
kokuma pani a wada won no wo mrahye fiem ye Haruna Idrisu ne wode atodwa kyeremu se NDC amanyoko wo mrahye fiem no de budget a yetwa de ama Office of the Special Prosecutor ene judiciary ne de wono anyintumu ne anachna kosi se enema bi egugu ho no mo wo mehwe atiesie ni nyina ansa na ne wo mbeje atuma waje atum.
No one should come and lay anything for the judiciary in the name of the Chief Justice until we know how much was the request made to the President by the Chief Justice and the judiciary. How much of it is the President granted? But for Special Prosecutor, Mr. Speaker, this whip and his chairman must be barred from going further to lay any report affecting the Special Prosecutor until we have assurances that he will be paid and paid his arrears. And persons recruited, you scrutinize them to know when they were recruited, whether they had board approval for recruitment or not, who asked who to go home and who asked who to come. Then you can lay the report. I thank you. So stay away from budget of the judiciary and Special Prosecutor chairman.
Na wey na chairman oda constitution ano emra e wo mrahye bedwemu Kwame Ayumadu entry enso de betu dwa se osofo hwe Ghana sikasem so kenoforiata e budget ode betu dwa no committee no ahwem ehu se ehu behia se wo mo etu hwanamo.
Mr. Speaker, Honorable Haruna would agree with me that once the issue that he is talking about is already incorporated in the report, he must not be in a rush to actually talk about it when we have not laid a report. So on this note, if Mr. Speaker grants me the leave and the indulgence of the House, I may want to lay the items 5 together.
A school for wa Aquatia Presby Basic School warden Chambo Mensinimo. A wapoemanta mo de wadestra to aban nanim send many me yare the school feeding grants no. Every 1 cedi nenko 2 cedi ma won fi se nkwayi e wo se nuane no omu didi omudi ni ye na atekom so adom kase eto so.
Yesra ban say obetu school feeding grant nim Torebo crampo na yo school ya ma me ni bia ode be ma yen akọ school ya de beto aduane de torebo anso na ete class na ekom de nti me focus wo de teacher ni na kire nti esra aban se be boan na wa ma aduane ska na ode ma food feeding grant no be mu edu na etimedidi na aso yen se yen ne Ghana da achen aye betima be boa da achen
acho se aban betu school feeding grant ni amai acho bi wo kra ya follow mu ni ske bi wo so aye di aduane na enso yen so betu school feeding grant no
the mesre aban ne se obe increase school feeding grant no eto de bi kra ye ko school ya wo fo mu mai ska omunim se enua aduane wo school so aduane na mo de mai school den so nti esra aban so me increase school feeding grant no
Opening baako a woboaye ema womo ede nkwada yi eto National Health Insurance eso no wo educationist esan ye philanthropist Susan Dankwa ene Adom News enso etwetwe nkomo
kwala bi wo hono ma obebe school no kurani eduane kura bi yen den enkan na no ye nti ayesa na se wo kire na de abonse na oda nti ayesa nso pe no kurani ne ye teacher for nso ye hayen ebisa kwala bia pomuden atuto ye kura na aduane nso no we nya kakra ndi a no kurani emu eya ekom ne adisua de menua enko ekom ne adisua enko na ne mesra ne sanka aban said the was started school feeding ya be no ontre ni hie mu mbra JHS nso esa enkwala no mo JHS no nso no mpo no sebi ebi onu me komo di wom utu se ko school mu pa na hwa akwala ni ma komo di no ebi onu ma be hu se no order no bisa na no aka cho se bi o mpo yen den ofi school bai ondi ofi efie bai no ondi di ye
Achi Crop Development Authority for say the atia price and call 8.5 pesos. Sa ene yebeto no Adom kase e de ba bra womo e de nsemi tudwa e wo tachiman.
Together with all stakeholders, you have settled on 8 cedis, 50 pesos for a kilo of cashew for the year 2023. And the
Say Jumedi Ghana by Enam Tree Crop Development Authority eso enene ekwafo AD in Sawoso. Chechefo ya Wadaka Shoe Farmers Association ano Clement Anane efasa akwanya no so ede adeswede eto aban enim se aban enhye enwo fan hyehyeye enwu akwamu a edwade a wodi na mahodo so no so obetimi atenani ahwe ne yie.
Ye besre ye wo se ye free trader ene ye betimi ye na se ekoba ne sa ne ye sre aka ne se ye makwan na MMDAs na ewo border no so no nyina no wo mo nya hihye cashew kilo bi e be cross bia no e be fi la Côte d'Ivoire profit imagine na ewo la Côte d'Ivoire de ne Ghana de no wo mo nchem na wo mo mfa bi emu a IGF ma MMDAs na ewo cashew friends producing borders friends this is no nti we ni asem a ye pese ye de tumanyim